Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. It sounds like you're working on a guessing game in Python 3.6 and are facing an issue with a variable not incrementing after each guess. Let me walk you through a tutorial to address this. Title: Troubleshooting Variable Incrementation in Python 3.6 Guessing Game. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll explore a common issue where a variable fails to increment after each guess in a Python 3.6 guessing game. We'll identify the problem and provide a step-by-step solution using code examples. Problem statement. You have a guessing game where a player makes multiple guesses, and you want to track the number of attempts using a variable. However, the variable doesn't seem to increment as expected. Code example. Consider the following snippet of code as a starting point for your guessing game. Issue identification. The variable attempts is intended to track the number of guesses. However, if you notice that it's not incrementing as expected, we need to investigate and solve the problem. Solution. The issue might arise if the program encounters an error while converting the user's input to an integer. To address this, we should handle potential input errors using a try-except block. Update the code as follows. Explanation. By incorporating the try-except block, we ensure that if the user enters a non-integer value, the program will catch the value error and prompt the user to enter a valid integer. This modification prevents the attempts variable from incrementing erroneously due to invalid input. Conclusion. With this adjustment, your Python 3.6 guessing game should now accurately track the number of attempts, providing a smoother and error-resistant user experience. I hope this helps. If you have any further questions or encounter issues, feel free to ask ChatGPT.